Hi, grade 5. So today we are going to do spelling words like we always did when we were in class on a Friday. So today I'm going to give you the words and then you need to practice it every day. I'm going to give you or show you how you need to practice it and what you need so that you can understand it and everything. Okay, so let's spelling words. So let's see if you can name the following pictures. So we have our first one. It's a table. It's something that we can mark off, things that we did or we didn't finish. Um, I can give you a hint. All the teachers have given you at some point something to do to complete the work. So think a little bit, see if you can name it, and then when I am done, we will give you the answers. Okay, so our next one is something white that we can write on with our different markers. I think you all know it. Then we have a book with lots of different names in it, and I know all of you always want to work with that certain book. Then we also have something that we put things in. There we have a person sitting at something busy writing. Then we have these pencils, and then we also have this one with lots of numbers on it. Okay, so let's see if you are right with all the words. The first one is an assignment. So the teachers gave you an assignment. For art, you had to paint something or you had to do something musical. English, you have had to write an essay or a letter. So you had all the different assignments in different subjects. Then we have the calculator where we can do mathematical equations. We have the whiteboard, colored pencils. We have the desk. We have the backpack. And the last one that I know you know is a dictionary. Good. Okay, so now we are going to go on, and the next things that I want you to look at is if we go on, you have to write the word that I give you. Okay? When you write the word, you must spell it as well. That is how we learn new words. So we have to say the word, spell it, and write it. Okay? So as soon as we write the word, we know it. But do we understand it? Not always. So the best thing is you can look in the dictionary or you can ask a grown up to give you the explanation of the word if you don't know it already. Okay, so the first one we have an assignment. So what is the definition of assignment? And that is what you need to do as well. So I will give you the word. You need to find the definition of the word. It can be just a sentence. It can be more than one sentence. It depends on what you know about the word. So assignment is a task or piece of work allocated to someone as part of their job. So we know you are a learner and your job is to pass grade 5. So that means we need to give you assignments to see if you understand the work that we are doing so that you can go on to your next grade. Okay, so you know that you write the word and then you have to get the definition of all the words. So let's practice that. We have a backpack. The definition is a bag for your back, or you could have said that it's a bag where you can put in all your books to carry it, to make it easier for you to handle it. Then we have a calculator. The definition is something used for making mathematical calculations. So there we can add, minus, multiply, and divide. Then we have colored pencils. I think you all know this one. A narrow, generally cylindrical implement for writing, drawing, or marking. Our next word is desk, and the definition of a desk: a piece of furniture with a flat or sloping surface at which one can read, write, or do other work, like we do in class. Good. We also have a whiteboard. Now, I definitely know you know what a whiteboard is. You always ask to clean it or to write something on it, like the names. So a whiteboard is a board with a smooth white surface, often attached to a wall, on which you can write and draw using special pens. Great. So we have our spelling words for the next week. Things we need to do. For the following words, you need to find the meaning of the word, like we just did. So I'm going to give you 10 words, and you need to find the meaning or the definition of that word. We need to write each word 10 times. So you have to spell it, say it, and write it. That is how we remember new words. We also have to write it in alphabetic order. That is a way for you to see if you know which word comes first by looking at the alphabetical letters. And then the last one, you can ask your mom or dad to ask you the words, and then you need to write it down and see if you can spell it correctly. Okay, so our words for this week is blizzard, chills, frostbitten, hailstone, hibernate, icicle, mittens, shiver, slippery, and slush. Okay, good job. So good luck to all of you. Hope you have a nice day. And please remember to go look on YouTube and Facebook for all the information. Bye guys.